Welcome to mathematics class. Good morning all of you. Yesterday what did we discuss? Graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Lower, the first one is less than type, second one is more than type. Here today the last model, median, last model. Okay, so second problem. During the medical checkup, during the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, then their weights were recorded. Their weights were recorded as follows. Weight in kgs, number of students, less than 38, less than 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, less than 52, 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. Draw a less than type. Draw a less than. Draw a less than type. OGU, less than type OGU for the given data. Hence obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula Okay, this is the problem. First of all, during the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, then weights are recorded as follows. Weight recorded. First, draw a less than type OGU for the given data. First problem, third problem, yesterday model type, less than type graph. Draw the first less than type graph and hence obtain the median weight from the graph. Hence obtain the median weight from the graph. find out median weight. That graph median weight is verify and verify the result by using the formula. In the graph weight e formula n by 2 median formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula type median. Okay, first we have to calculate median from the graph and formula, calculate the median from the formula. So both are equal or not, verify. This is the problem. Okay, so first graph, Ogive graph, lower type. This is less than type graph. So taking upper class limits, first of all, solution, taking upper class limits on upper class limits. So less than type means this is less than 38. Less than 38 means first is taken, this is upper values. Upper class limits on x-axis. This is this first one, x-axis, and their respective cumulative frequency, on y-axis. Same procedure, yesterday model. Less than type means upper, less than type graph means upper class limits on the x-axis. So more than type means lower class limits on the x-axis, and the respective cumulative frequencies are on the y-axis. It Ogive can be drawn from its Ogive means graph. Ogive can be drawn as follows. Okay, so graph 0 on the x-axis. What? Upper class means this is upper class. 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. X-axis, this is y-axis. On the y-axis, cumulative frequencies starting 0 to 35. 0 to 35, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, next. The points are what? 38, 0. The points already given. What are the points? 38, 0. Next to 40, 3, 42, 5, 44, 9. Next 46, 14, 46, 14. Next 48, 28. Next 50, 32. Next 52, 35. These points. 38, 0. This is 38, 0. 43. 40. This is the 43. 1, 2, 3. 43. 42, 5. 42. 42, 5. Next 44, 9. 46, 14. 48, 28, 50, 32, 35. This is the graph. This graph drawn on the graph paper, the graph must be is clear. Okay, so maximum we have to try the graph drawn on the graph paper. Okay, next one, this is less than type. This is upper class limits. This is upper class limits. This is cumulative frequencies. So one part completed. So next here n is equal to 35, because how many students are there? 35 students. So n is equal to 35. N by 2 is equal to 17.5. 17.5. So in 17.5, so this is 15, 16, 17.5. Nearly on the x-axis 17.5. This 17.5. This is 46.5. Nearly. So what is the median? Median is 46.5. Median is 46.5. The graph, okay. So again graph, the median of the data is 46.5. How to this clear? First of all, same. Don't calculate it by median. We have to find out the median from the graph. So once again, okay. So next one, median. Find out median. Okay. First from the graph, median, we have to find out the median from the graph. This is first step. Argue for the given data. Okay, hence obtain the median weight from the graph. Median weight from the graph first. Second point. Second point is also same. So 0, this is 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. This is x-axis. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This is y-axis. So 38, 0. Once again I will graph 43 means this is the 43, this is 43, 42, 42, 5, exactly 42, 5, 44, 9, 44, 9 means so this is nearly 44, 9, this is 46, 14, 46, 14, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, this is 44, 9, 46, 14, 46, 14, this 15 is nearly, this is 46, 15, 48, 28, 48, 28, this is 28, 50, 32, 50, 32, this is, so the graph must be drawn on the graph paper. Okay, drawn on the graph paper, this clearly identify the median. So n by 2 is equal to what? 17.5. This is 17.5. Though the 17.5 is nearly, this is 46. How much? 46, 14. 46, 14. Okay, so 46, 14 after 14. This one. This is called 46.5. This is point A. 46.5. So the median of this data, the median of this data, the median of the data is 46.5. The 46.5, how to decide 46.5? How to decide 46.5? In the graph, okay, in the graph, this is 17.5. The nearly 17.5, this is 46, this is 14, 15, 16, 17 point something. In the graph paper, on the graph paper, we have to draw the graph on the graph paper. It is clearly identify the A point. 46.5 is clearly identified. Because 17.5, this is 15, n by 2 is frequencies, n by 2 is always taken frequencies, cumulative frequencies. So 17.5 and 15 to 20, the 17.5, this is the before, this is corresponding value. The corresponding value is the 46 is this is 14, this is nearly the 17.5. This is this one. So median is 46.5. So this is the graph. From the graph, find out median. The second part is completed. Next, what third part? And verify the result by using the formula. A median 46.5 is verified by using the formula. How to verify it? Median formula L plus. In the median, what we have to find out? Class intervals, frequencies, cumulative frequencies. This is the sequence. So next, verification. First of all, weight. So in the given data problem, less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, this is the given problem. First of all, less than 38, less than frequencies, cumulative frequencies, and cumulative frequencies. Less than 38, how much? Less than 38, 0. Next to less than 40 means, less than 40 meaning, less than 40 means 38 to 40. So 38 to 40 is, this is less than 38 total, less than 38, 30, less than 40 means, so these two, less than 40 means less than 38 plus less than 43. So here only 18 to, only 38 to 40, 38 to 40, only 38 to 40, the limit 38 to 40. So 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Next, 40 to 42, 40 to 42. This is below 42 means these 3. Only 40 to 42 means what? The total 8, 8 minus 3. So this is 3 minus, total remaining 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Only 40 to 42, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, 42 to 44. 42 to 44, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 9 minus 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. First of all, less than 38, 0. Less than 38, 0. Less than 40 means 3 minus 0, less than 45 minus 3, less than 44 means 9 minus 5, less than 46, and 44 to 46. 44 to 46 means 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Next, 46 to 48. 46 to 48, 18 minus 24, as 28 minus 14 is equal to 14. Next 48 to 50. 48 to 50 means 32 minus 28 is equal to 4. Next 50 to 52. 50 to 52 means 35 minus 32 is equal to 3 in the median. Okay, this is not a new, already median, in their median. So many types, 3 types: less than type, more than equal to type. Less than type means adding, less than type means minus, other more than type means adding. Okay, this one. So cumulative frequency means first of all 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 14, 28, 28, 30 to 35. This is the cumulative frequency. So here n by 2 value, how much n by 2 value? So here n is equal to 35, n by 2 is equal to 17.5. In the 14, after 14, 17.5, n by 2 is 17.5, greater than 17.5. This is this one. The above one is class frequency. The corresponding frequency is f. The corresponding class interval, this is the class interval. So median class is equal to 46 to 48. So here L is equal to 46, H is equal to 2. L is equal to 46, H is equal to 2. H means difference. H is equal to 2. And f is equal to 14, cf is also 14. So median formula L plus n by 2 minus cf by f into h. So L is equal to 46 plus n by 2 means 17.5 minus 14 by 14 into 2. So that is equal to 46 plus 3.5 into 7 by 14. 7 by 14 is equal to 46.1 by 0.5. So that is equal to 46.5. So median is equal to 46.5. So from the graph, the median is 46.5, and from the formula, the median is 46.5. So in the given problem, 3 types problem. First point is less than type O give, and next find the median from the graph, and third one is verify the median from the formula. The 3 types. First one Vogelin graph, next median graph, find out the median. How to find out the median? This n by 2 is 17.5. The 17.5 is a parallel to go to this one point. This point is 46.5. This how to identify 46.5? In your graph paper, the graph drawn on the graph paper, this must be clear to identify the point 46.5. Clearly identify. So each box is equal to 2, half box is equal to 5, half box is equal to 1, half box is equal to. Okay, so clearly identify. So verification by using the formula. First weight, next weight compulsory class intervals must be class. More than type are given or less than type are given. So we have to convert into interval type. Interval time in this is less than 38. 38 to 40. 38 to 40, how many? Below 30, 0. 38 to 40, less than 40 means this is less than 40 means less than 40, less than 38, both are equal to the less than 40. So only 38 to 40. So 3 minus 0, 5 minus 3, 9 minus 4, 14 minus 9. This is this type, 14 minus 9. This is the frequencies. Cumulative frequency is same as adding, always cumulative frequency is always adding 0 plus 3. Next 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. This is the cumulative frequency. So this is the median by the graphical representation. Okay, so the statistics chapter completed. So tomorrow I will go to the next chapter. Okay, next chapter means any chapter. Okay, clear.